Smithy's Corner. It's really great. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now. BullionNow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It was in pitch.
It was.
It was a proper actual tune.
See what happens when you got spectators.
Ah.
You actually put the effort in.
That's right. We've got a lovely crowd behind us.
Yes, we do.
What are we
this
doing?
is shot in front of a live audience.
Yeah.
We are doing Smithy's Corner. So for those who don't know, Smithy is, and I say this pretty much every week, Smithy's a silversmith up in Sydney that produces some incredible handcrafted pieces.
Yep.
So we highlight 2, 3, 4 of those every week and make them available for sale either through the shop, via email or on the phones.
Yep, just not online.
Yeah, first come, first serve basis.
Now show me the one that we can't sell.
The one that you can't sell. Well, it looks like that someone may have grabbed this one in the shop,
Right.
which I'm almost disappointed about because I kind of half had my eye on it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it's a. Well, I thought it was a werewolf, but it's actually just listed on his thing as a wolf.
But it is.
But it's beautiful. The toning in it is just great.
But we're 99% sure this one is sold as of even before the video's released. Because silly me, what I do is I lay this all out nice and neat and stuff before, you saunter in with your sunglasses on,
That's right.
all celebrity-like, and then go, I'm ready for my close-up. But it's set out for about 5 minutes, and then a customer comes and goes, ooh, I like that.
Yeah, well, I can't blame him because I came in and did exactly the same thing.
Yeah, exactly. But this is a beautiful thing. We can always get Smithy to do some more.
Yeah.
This is a 4-ounce 999 wolf. That's what we're calling it, isn't it? I think
that's what the cert's got.
Yep,
it as.
the 4-ounce wolf right there. Of course, all Smithy's stuff comes with matching certificates as well.
Yep.
And that is just beautiful. Look at the toning on that. It is just special. But once again, yes, please. But once again, if we can get Smithy to make another one of these. Hey, Smithy, make another one of these, please. That would be great. But that one's likely gone.
Yep.
But let's look at the other three.
So we've got a couple of dragons.
Yep.
I love these ones. These are more a European dragon than an Asian dragon.
Yeah. This is very Game of Thrones-esque.
Yeah.
Yeah. You turn her over.
Over the page.
2.5 ounce.
Yeah, that's going to confuse the books no end.
Very cool. All right, 2.5 ounce.
Just
I like
the swirling in the back. I just love what he gets. I like that swirling that he gets into it.
I like the way he does some odd sizes, some really cool odd sizes. Okay, so that's number 42, and we have
There's 2 of those.
Its cousin here.
Its cousin at 43.
42 and 43, and if you buy both,
you can.
Sequential cereals. And finally, for this week's Smithy's Corner,
I love this one.
watch the finger. Watch the finger.
That's right.
Trigger discipline, please.
He's slightly politically interesting in today's environment.
Yes, slightly. That won't get us flagged, will it, on
slightly.
YouTube? I don't think so.
Not even slightly.
I can say the word trigger, that's okay.
It's the name of a horse, isn't it?
It is the name of a horse, that's right. Beautiful. Yeah. So that's a
6 ounce.
That's a 1911, I think, isn't it?
Well, it's based on the 1911.
Based on a 1911, I think, yeah.
So.
Nice. And a 6 troy ounce Smithy's Bullion number 27.
It's got like the 6 ounces is enough where you go, oh wow, it's got a bit of weight to it.
Yeah,
it's
cool.
It's nice.
So have a little bit of a
little
bit of a recoil.
Yeah,
is what you're saying.
It's about 200 grams in that one, so it's nice. It's a good
lovely.
feel to it.
That's really cool. Well, tell them the deal once more.
So you can buy them via email, so sales@bullionnow.com.au. Call in 1300 84 84 10 or drop by the shop as some lucky gentleman has and grab those. Check what we've got on display.
Yep.
Now, they are not your standard bars out of a refinery or anything like that. These are handcrafted, so you are paying a premium above spot, and you will also be paying GST. So these are pitched at 40% above spot, plus GST over the top of that.
Fantastic. All right, as usual, that is Smithy's Corner done for a week. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. And that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.